All right, so we'll start with urinary. So you got the kidneys, right? You got the renal vein and artery. You can pretty much see here.
The blue
got,
one you said is the vein, and then the red one's the artery?
right, exactly.
Okay. It's like the big one though, right? The blue vein? The
Yes,
big blue vein?
yeah,
Okay.
the big one. So you got that, and then you've got this kind of muscular tube coming out of the kidney here, right? This. That is the ureter. There's one coming out of each kidney. You can kind of follow that down, and then it comes into the bottom of the bladder, which is right here. And then from the bladder, you have the urethra, and the urethra is going to continue down into the prostate, which is, you know, obviously reproductive and not urinary. But the urethra, like I said, goes down into the prostate, where it joins with the vas deferens, which we'll get to in a second, and then exits right through the penis. So I think that's all of the urinary. Yeah, right? Yeah, it looks like it.
Well, that's it?
For urinary.
And then we need reproductive. Huh?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, so then for reproductive, right, you can't see. Yeah, this is a little tough. But basically, if more of this was exposed, then what you would see is that there's like a center, like a main center, and that's the testicle. And then on top of that and on the side is this sort of like kind of flap looking thing, and that's the epididymis. And so what ends up happening is once you leave up here, there's a cord that's called the spermatic cord. It comes up and then splits into the vas deferens and then something else that we don't care about. This right here is the vas deferens for this side. Yep, and then there would be one on the other side as well. So it comes up and it kind of loops over the ureter here and goes down into the prostate, where it joins with the urethra to form that urogenital canal, and then leaves. Okay. Did I miss anything? And then for the female, right, obviously there's nothing here, but there would be like kind of around here-ish, there would be just this little pouch, and that's the ovary. There would be one on either side. Coming out of the ovaries would be this just kind of plain looking tubes.
The fallopians.
Those are the fallopian tubes, and then they join to form the uterus. And in cats, like the whole kind of both fallopian tubes and the uterus combined are called the uterine horn.
Okay.
And yeah, I think that's it.